Dig a foundation hole 4 to 5 times the butt diameter of the flagpole and place 1 to 2 inches of sand in the bottom of the hole. Set the foundation tube so that the top is approximately 1 inch above the surrounding grade. It is important not to allow standing water around the flagpole. Place the foundation in the center of the newly dug hole. Pour concrete around the tube. When the concrete is approximately halfway up the tube, plumb the tube. Continue to pour concrete until you reach grade level. Be sure to periodically check the plumb of the tube. Remember that the tube can still be adjusted after the concrete is poured. The foundation tube is plumbed by placing a level on 2 sides at a 90-degree angle from each other and checking the level. The concrete can be kept below grade if you choose to have grass directly next to the pole. Otherwise, you can place a form at or above grade level and have the concrete exposed. Make sure you keep the inside of the foundation tube dry at this point. Let the concrete set for at least 24 hours before placing the flagpole into the foundation tube.